Ladies and gentlemen, Crashes and Smashes presents Smashes! If you like my videos, please like and subscribe and hit that button on the bottom. Thanks. So for this video clip, if you really want to know the backstory about this one, I was looking through OfferUp and I found a ad for crush a car for $1,000 in Europe, and here is the ad right here. Anyways, so I messaged the guy, got his number, and I called him, and he answered and he's like, hello. I said, hi, I'm calling about this car crushing thing. He's like, yes, I need the money ASAP, I'm broke, kids are sick with the coronavirus. My wife is a stupid cow. So I said, hey, well, they only have $250 and 2 bottles of vodka. Before I could answer, end my sentence, he said, sold. So I sent him the money, and then he sent me the clip. Come to find out later on that his wife was cheating on him, and that was her car. So, funny tidbit about that. So here's some 8x8s. These are actually pretty cool. And for them to crush a car, it's pretty cool, with bicycles on the front, which is kind of crazy. For all these videos that I have as clips, it's kind of amazing where the fucking all these extra cars are coming from. Is all they drive is military vehicles? Like, I'd drive that car before he decided he needed to crush it. Like this right here is like a 2005 Grand Prix. What the hell? It's a good car still. And he just rolled right over it. This Ford is a Ford, so this one I think is really good. That one actually deserves to be crushed because it is a Ford. And then we got people taking pictures of crushing cars. All they do in Russia is just drink vodka and crush cars. Pretty cool. They got nothing better to do. Now this is a fun video. You get the whole family involved in crushing the car. You got Grandpa up there, you got Dad, you got your Uncle Vinny, you got slow cousin Gerald. Just all out for a day of drinking and crushing cars. Oh, and we're back to the techno